Welcome back again. So today we'll be looking into simplification of this question. A big square root 160 r squared plus another square root in r 71 r to the power of 4 plus another square root 100 r to the power of 8. Now how do we go about this? There is, so first and foremost we start dealing with the innermost. And where is the innermost? 100. So square root of 100 r to the power of 8. So let's break this down to 100. So from sword, this is more like a sword. So 100 from sword, we know we have root a times b. That gives big root a times root b. So we apply the same knowledge to this. Then we can have root 100 times root r to the power of 8. Exactly. So now from there, we can have it as root 100 is 10 times r to the power of 8, that is r to the power of 8, and square root means a power of what? Half. So if you should divide 2 here 1, 2 here 4. So we can have 10r to the power of 4 for that part. Now for the other part, we can also have root. So now this 10r is power of 4, we have to solve this. Now let's input it into the smaller part, the other bigger part. So that is 71r to the power of 4 plus 10r to the power of 4, and that gives 81r to the power of 4. Right? Now from there, I can resolve this 81 to the power of r to the power of 4. So you can have root 81 r to the power of 4. Also follow indices as we've done here. So that will be root 81 multiplied by root r to the power of 4. So you can have this should be 9. Square root of 81 is 9 multiplied by r to the power of 4, or to half. Since we know that anything square root means to the power of half. So 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So this becomes 9r squared. So since we've gotten this, now let's put it into this now. So into the bigger part, the biggest to the biggest square root. So 160 r squared plus 9r squared. So this later becomes 169 r squared. So which can also apply law of indices. So which is law of sort, sorry, 169 multiplied by square root of 2, square root of r squared. So this square can count this square root. So square root of 169 gives 13 r. So which means if you simplify this square question, what you'll be having is 13r as your answer. You can see how easy and how simple it actually looks like. So kindly follow this page, press the like button, and share to your loved ones. Thank you once again.